Establishing a consistent bedtime routine for a 6-month-old baby is essential for helping them sleep peacefully through the night. A calm, predictable routine signals that it's time to rest, promotes healthy sleep habits, and makes bedtime easier for both baby and parents. Giving your baby a warm bath before bedtime is a soothing way to help them relax and signal that it's time to sleep. The gentle warmth can calm their muscles, ease tension, and create a comforting environment. Keep the bath short, around 5 to 10 minutes, and use soft, calming motions to make the experience enjoyable. Gently massaging your baby before bedtime can help them relax and feel secure. Use baby-safe lotion or oil and soft, soothing strokes on their arms, legs, and back. This not only calms their muscles, but also strengthens the bond between you and your baby. It makes them more comfortable and ready to settle for sleep. Choosing the right sleepwear is essential for a restful night. Dress your baby in soft, breathable fabrics appropriate for the room temperature. Comfortable clothing ensures your baby stays cozy without overheating. A sleep sack is a safe and effective way to keep your baby warm while preventing them from startling awake. Unlike loose blankets, a properly fitted sleep sack provides security and freedom of movement. Incorporating a sleep sack into your bedtime routine can help your baby feel snug, secure, and ready to drift off peacefully. Offering a full feeding before bedtime helps your baby feel satisfied and more likely to sleep for longer stretches. Whether breastfeeding or bottle feeding, a calm and quiet feeding session signals that it's time to wind down. Make sure to feed your baby in a comfortable, dimly lit environment to promote relaxation. Reading a short, calming book to your baby before bedtime helps signal that it's time to sleep. The gentle rhythm of your voice and the quiet activity create a soothing environment. Gently rocking your baby before bedtime can help them relax and feel secure, making it easier for them to transition to sleep. Slow, rhythmic movements mimic the comforting sensations your baby experienced in the womb. This can reduce fussiness and promote calmness. Combine rocking with soft talking or soft singing to create a soothing environment. Placing your baby in the crib while they are drowsy but still awake helps them learn to fall asleep on their own. This encourages independent sleep and can help your baby rest more peacefully through the night. By following a consistent and soothing bedtime routine, you will help your 6-month-old develop healthy sleep patterns, enjoy longer stretches of rest, and create a peaceful nighttime environment for the whole family.